大家好, welcome back to another cooking video with Dan Chang. Get your taste buds ready, cause it's about to get wet. So today we're going to be making the pork belly. Start off by opening up the packet and then give that pork a thick slap. Show him who's boss, and then cut it into roughly 2-inch chunks. And my wrist was getting damn sore, so I might need to do some wrist physio. But the show must go on, guys. Now fill up a pot with hot boiling water and then put in the pork belly to blanch off all the impurities. So once the water starts boiling, you see that layer of grey foam. And that's the very bad one we don't want, okay? Get rid of that. When you pour it down the drain, you want to be careful not to lose any of the pork belly, but try to pour out all the water if you can. So play the game of balance. Woo! Nearly got away from us there. So now return the pot back onto the heat. Now you're going to add in 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, or you can use raw sugar. Next, the sugar caramelizes the pork, and as you can see, the beautiful layer of golden brown flavor forms. The next thing you have to add is the 6 tablespoons of the Shaoxing Chinese cooking wine. What the wine does is that it gives that pork that extra aromatic flavors. The next thing you add is 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. And then you've added 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce for the color, and then finally 1 cup of cold water. Evenly stir it around and then cover the pot and let the pot work its magic. Now it might take about half an hour for that pork belly to cook, so in your spare time, go clean your lettuce, put it on a plate, maybe play some NBA 2K, I don't know, film a TikTok, tell your mum you love her, I don't know, anything you like. Now after roughly 20 minutes, you want to open the lid and just check on it every so often, just so the pork doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. And just give it a stir, blow it a kiss, give it some love. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Perfect. So what you have to do is get a big piece of lettuce, alright? Don't be skimped on the lettuce because you gotta eat your greens. Fill it with rice, some freshly made rice, and then third step you add the pork belly. You add it in there, get a nice piece of fat. 3, 2, 1. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I miss you.